Hey, good afternoon, everybody. I hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to bizzbin.com, a community-driven marketplace and auction house. Today we're going to be covering some of the finer details of the shipping, where, in the cases where you have some products that you might want to charge a little bit more shipping to add more of those products to the order, but you don't want to charge the same amount for every product. So, what you're seeing on the screen right now is a little example of that. Join along with me or save this for some future reference, but I'm sure by the end of this video you will be all set. Alright, let's get started. If you haven't already seen the first shipping tutorial video, I highly recommend you watch that first, because this video assumes you have already watched that video. What we are going to start off with is going into your zone, and then we're going to go into your flat rate settings. Oh, and actually I've already filled in some of these things. Now, this field here, this field here is going to be your base rate. So if I wanted to charge $1 for every single thing, for every single item, then that's what that would give me. But what we're going to do is a little tricky. We're going to set this to 75, and then we're going to come down here. Oh, and in case you guys are unaware, I actually added these recently for you. I've given you 3 custom classes. So, because as you know, all the other classes are pretty much flat rate. These are from the post office. So, but these are where you can create your own particular brand of shipping and apply it to your different products. We're going to work with shipping class number 1 here, custom class. And as you'll see, what I've done is I put in the 25 cents times the quantity. All right? And there's little notes here that explain some of that. But what is going to happen now is it's going to charge 25 cents times the quantity for every item in your cart that's in class 1. And because I started it at 75 cents, as soon as you add 1 item to the cart, it would automatically be $1. So once you have this set up, I've actually created some really fun test products. I can show you how this works. All right, so what we're going to do is go back to my products. All right, so now we have made our shipping class and set it up the way we want, which is basically $1 shipping plus 25 cents each additional item of this kind. And when I say of this kind, I mean the items that are in custom class number 1. So make sure you've got this set to the class that you want, and make sure you save the product. And we're going to need to make sure we have set the class for shipping on all of the items in the group. So in this case, I want to make sure all my mantises, all my test products are in custom class 1. Always hit save. All right, and I've got these 2 products here. They both cost $1, and I'm sure you're all happy to see I have used a new image so that the products are a little bit more fun than a scribbled piece of paper. So we got this little mantis here, and he's $1. So we'll add him to the cart. And as you see, here's the $1 for the item, and here's the flat rate at $1. And once again, That's actually 75 cents because that's our base price plus 25 cents for every item we add. So I will demonstrate this. We'll add 4 items and then update the cart. And you'll see, so it's $4 for the item. And then it's added 25 cents for each one. So that brings us up to $1.75. Because it starts off at 75 cents and adds a quarter, so I'm definitely getting my dollar. Now if I add a second item and then update the cart, you will see it adds another 25 cents. And so on. Now, I'm sure you noticed and wondered why I made 2 of these, because I want to show you how these integrate when you have multiple items in the same class. They will do the same calculations in the cart. So we'll go over here. And now we have this test 1, this neat little praying mantis, and I will add 1 to my cart. And actually, for the sake of simplicity, let's bring that down to 1. So now you'll see, even though there's 2 separate products, it's not charging us $1 shipping for both of them. It realizes that both of these items are in the same shipping class, and it goes ahead and only adds the 25 cents. So for example, if you were selling rings or earrings or other things of predictable prices, you can create your own custom shipping class, and then be sure to add all those items to the class. And then when people check out, it will do all the math for you. That covers everything I wanted to talk about today. I guess this video isn't going to be quite as long as I thought it would be. So, if you have any questions about this, please feel free to contact us. Alright guys, well, thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.